Survival value of tropic responses. Phototropism enables plants to expose their leaves towards sources of light for maximum light absorption for photosynthesis. The photograph shows trees in a forest growing to expose leaves to light. Hydrotropism. This response enables plant root to grow towards water. Plants need water for photosynthesis, transport, and support. Play the animation to see roots growing towards water. Haptotropism. This response enables plants with weak stem to obtain mechanical support. The illustration shows a morning glory plant twining around a tree to obtain support. Geotropism. This response enables roots to grow towards gravity in order to obtain water and mineral salts and anchor the plant. The illustration shows plant shoot bending away from gravity and root towards gravity. Chemotropism. This response enables plant parts like pollen tubes to reach the embryo sac. Play the animation to see pollen tube growing towards the embryo sac for fertilization to occur. Role of auxins in tropic responses. Growth responses are mostly influenced by the hormone auxin. Auxins are a class of plant growth substances. One of the most common on the class is indole acetic acid IAA. Auxins are produced at the roots and shoot tips of plants. They influence cell division and elongation within the meristem region at varying concentrations. In roots, high auxin concentrations inhibits growth, while in shoots it stimulates faster growth. Roots require very low auxin concentration to stimulate faster growth. Very high auxin concentration in roots and shoots stops growth. Auxin and phototropism. Auxins migrate away from the illuminated plant parts to the non-illuminated side. Within the shoot region, a high auxin concentration increases rate of growth. The non-illuminated side of the plant shoot registers a faster growth than the laminated side. This leads to bending curvature of the plant shoot towards the direction of light source. When the light is evenly distributed on the shoot tip, the auxin concentration is evenly distributed in the shoot, causing uniform cell elongation. When light is from a unilateral source, auxins migrate away from the source of light to a dark side of the plant. This causes a high auxin concentration on dark side of plant than illuminated side. A higher auxin concentration on one side of the shoot leads to curvature of the shoot tip towards the source of light. Play the animation to see the role of auxins in phototropism. Auxins and geotropism. When a plant is placed horizontally, auxins moves down from the upper side of the plant to the lower side. The concentration of auxin on the upper side will be lower than that on the lower side. In the shoot region, a higher concentration of auxin on the lower side causes faster growth. The shoots bends upwards away from gravity. In the root region, a higher concentration of auxins on the lower side slows down growth, and as a result, faster growth on upper cells of the shoot causes root to bend down towards gravity. The animation shows the effect of auxins on geotropism. Click on the play button to view the animation. When the germinating seed is placed horizontally, held on a clinostat, auxins are evenly distributed in the shoots and roots. Cell elongation is even in shoots and roots, hence curvature fails to occur in both. Play the animation to see how seedlings respond to gravity when a clinostat is used. Auxin and thigmotropism. Auxin migrates away from some plant part when in contact with solid objects. This is common in roots of all plants, tendrils, and stem of climbing plants. The plant parts with a higher auxin concentration grow faster than those parts with a lower auxin concentration. Faster growth on one side of the plant part causes growth curvature of the plant around the solid object. Play the animation to see the stem of a money plant coiling around the support post due to difference in auxin concentration.